What's up, everyone? I'm super excited. It's Saturday morning. I got a bunch of car parts to install this week with you guys. We got to finish installing the Swift springs that I didn't get to last week because I wanted to make sure I wouldn't mess up the ABS suspension. But the most important one, and something I've been waiting to do since I first bought the car, the exhaust. I finally got in my Invidia Q300 full exhaust system with a mid pipe, and I'm super excited to get this installed. I ended up doing a muffler delete when I first had the car. It was just the cheaper way to go for the moment, and I mean it sounded great. It still does, but it's time to invest into a full exhaust. I got the Invidia Q300 titanium tips. I'm really excited to see how it goes. Look who showed up to actually give a hand.
What's up, y'all?
That big ass exhaust is not fitting in my car, so we needed Alan's hatchback to get it in there. This thing is way too huge. So we got it into Alan's car, fit perfect. Yeah, it's time to head over to the muffler shop, see how much they're gonna charge us for that and how long it's gonna take them to install. So I'm gonna start the car, let it warm up a little bit, but just wanted you guys to hear the cold start in the morning, how it is right now. It sounds pretty decent for a Lexus after the muffler delete. I mean, I don't have any complaints about it, but of course I'd rather have the full exhaust, so we had to invest in that. So I don't know how well you guys can hear the exhaust from inside the car. I just want to, it's that cold I can see my breath. But I just wanted to get a couple sound clips real quick, before and after. I have some way before sound clips from when before I did the muffler delete. So I'll go ahead and put these in the video too, and we'll see all three different sounds and how big of a difference it really made. But here's how it sounds when I'm about third gear, 45 miles an hour. So I mean, I really like it how it is right now. It's perfect, but we're gonna get that race sound finally. So we've been to 2 muffler shops so far, killed about 45 minutes of the day, and we haven't gotten nothing done. First shop we went to was closed. Second shop we went to was overloaded. So I'm going back to the same shop that I did my muffler delete at 2 years ago. They said they should be able to fit me in. They have about 8 cars, but they're all small jobs, so they said they feel confident they can get me in today. A little update, guys. It's about almost 10 o'clock now. We've been here since about 9. It's 9:55 right now. But it does look like I'm up next. They've had quite a few cars going up and down. But yeah, should be out of here pretty quick. And they got 2 guys working on each car, so I don't think they're gonna take very long on this. Let you guys see how it is. What's here? There goes the old pipes. It fits, right? Yeah. Perfect.
It's a 16 buff in the dark.
Finally, the best part.
Oh yeah, the fun part.
Oh, I'm excited, man.
On the side too.
Let me see the titanium tips though. The exhaust tips. Grand reveal. Yeah, that looks badass. So we ran into a quick little issue connecting the mufflers. So these old bolts with the spring that go right there, and the new ones both don't come with the nut because the nut is welded onto the old pipe. So we got the exhaust in, everything's all installed, but we can't find the nuts for right here for all four of them to hold the brackets in. These are the new springs and the bolt, and there's no nut to go on here. Make it even worse, this type of bolt is a metric nut, which is kind of harder to find, so hopefully they got something lying around here. If not, don't know how I'm gonna get it installed. Got one?
I think I got 3.
3's enough to get me to Home Depot and get another one. Let's see how well this fits. Oh, it's perfect.
It's almost done, Joe. I gotta look for another nut, bolt and nut.
Oh, that's sick. I didn't even see that. They got the Invidia logo right there. So we improvised with a washer and a bolt. And a nut. I meant not a bolt.
You done, Glenn? Lunch? Lunchtime is done?
Should work the same. It's gonna be perfect.
Lunchtime is done?
Everything's all sealed perfectly, so shouldn't run into no issues. Should be fine. And we're done, boys. Finished look. We got everything secure. Everything's good, man. Now it's time to hear how it sounds, huh? Time to bring her down. Okay. So we're done. It sounds great. Before I even talk, just listen to it. Here you go. I'm putting a clip in right now. Oh, I almost hit somebody. Sheesh! Way better, way better. Let me put the window down. That's intense. That's intense. Muffler delete can't compete with that. So I went home, switched cars. I'm in the SUV now. But let me tell you, that car sounds amazing now. I'm in love with it. Thank God I didn't go with the Borla exhaust and I went with the Invidia. Borla exhaust just sounded too much like a Mustang to me on a Japanese car, and
I don't know. It just wasn't my taste, but Invidia sounds amazing, and the titanium tips add a whole new look to the car. But I'm on my way back there to pick up the old pipes and the muffler and everything. Just had them put it to the side. I'd rather not give it away for free. Keep your own stuff. Reuse it, you never know. Resell it.